Welcome everyone to another video. What I'm going to show you is what you can do with like leftovers cake. Like these, the leftovers like the edge of the cake. So I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So I'm going to turn it back into another dessert in a different way. If you're new here, please do consider to like, share, subscribe. My name is Linden Houston and welcome to the channel. So what I'm doing here, I'm just using my hands to break this up. So I'm going to use a whisk as I want it a little bit finer and smoother. Have a bit of chocolate icing. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to add some vanilla to that. And I'm going to gently combine this. I'll be adding some coconuts in this. Some oats. We're going to mix this together. So the next thing what I'm going to do is to form the shape that I want. I'm just using this mold for the shape that I want. Then I'm going to, so this is what I'm going to use to size them up. So that's what I want it to look like, this shape. The next way you can do it is in this shape. So just use your thumb and push him down. What I'm doing, I'm just using my hand like this, just round, just round the bottom up a bit. So that's what it look like, coming on fine. So the next step is, we have some coconut here. So this is how we're gonna do them now. We're gonna put them back on the same plate, and then we're gonna put them on the plate we're gonna use for like presentation. So I'm just using the coconut to coat over it. So these all done now, but I want them to go on this plate. But this plate look a little bit nicer, so I want to make sure our presentation look fantastic, taking it to the next level. So that's what the finished product look like.